device is ready to pair.
Everyone loves smartphones, but those small screens can be tough to see, and straining to watch them too long causes damaging eye fatigue. But here's the best solution you've ever seen. Introducing the Big Picture, the brilliant mobile phone magnification viewer. It instantly doubles the size of the screen to make everything easier to see. Simply insert your phone from the side, and the viewing screen instantly grows to twice its size. Which would you rather watch? The secret is Big Picture's powerful image doubling magnification mirror, which expands the size of your small phone screen to look 2 times bigger. So everything is easy to read, right down to the smallest print.
With the Big Picture, I feel like I have 20/20 vision again. It's like looking at my phone in HD.
Insert your hands into the open side slots to access the screen so you can easily scroll up and down through photos, start and or pause movies. Big Picture instantly creates a bigger picture for your favorite video games and books, and check social media. Anything you do on your phone, you can do it better with Big Picture. Read recipes on your phone while cooking. And Big Picture is so powerful you can watch it like a TV from across the room. Watch as long as you like without straining your eyes, no matter your age. Big Picture is completely hands-free. It stands on its own, so you can sit back and relax. But that's not all. Big Picture also magnifies fine print in newspapers, books, and magazines. It even works great for reading those small prescription bottles. Big Picture's simple, stylish design fits screens of up to 6 inches long. No batteries required. Folds down for easy travel and storage.